Yeah, g'day. Out on the creek again this morning, and it's pretty cold. It was supposed to be -5. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's not -5. I'm just going to do a little bit of different stuff today. I brought my metal detector. Yeah, brought the gold monster, and already got a target, and there it is, a bottle cap. Well, I'll see how we go today anyway. A lot of smoke about. It's supposed to be going to be a fine day, but there's a lot of things to steam. There's a lot of smoke about because there's been a lot of fires on the way in. A lot of the ground's been burnt out. So anyway, I'm up the creek today where I was panning the last times. So I know there's gold here, but it's very fine gold. It could be deep. So I'm going to try the monster out and see how we go. Alright? I'll let you know what happens. Well, I've got a target. I've got a target in the scoop. It was just in there. So now it's in my scoop. Right. So I'll just set this camera up over here. Yeah, Jimmy hand. Can't see anything. Now I can. Piece of wire. Piece of friggin' wire. That was it. Bad luck. I'll keep that bit. Okay. Right, well I trialled my gold monster today, and I can honestly say that I love it. Didn't find me any gold, but still, no, they're unreal. No bells and whistles. Yeah, pretty straightforward, and I think fairly easy to understand. So, what I brought with me was a tiny little piece of gold in a little vial, and I sort of put that under the ground where I'm at, and it's very mineralised. Had heaps and heaps of hot rocks. But you start to realise the hot rocks, and some of them are big, some of them are small, but you just kick them aside and then go over the spot where you were, and you don't get a signal, so you know they're hot rocks. But what I did find, and I used it for probably 3/4 of the day, and at the end of the day I just panned a bit, and I got some gold too with the pans, but I think because the gold's very fine and it's deep, you're not probably going to get it with any machine like these. You can only really dig it out and pan it, even though I went over the fine sand that was on top of the bedrock. But I'll just show you what I did get. I'll just spin this camera around. There's the monster there. our gold monster. And I got this tiny little thing here, which is a piece of iron or steel, bit of wire, couple of bottle caps, a needle there, and these two little things. Now, if that had been gold, and that's pretty small, that's two bits of, I think they're aluminium, but it picked them up like it screamed, and they were a couple of inches under. Took me a while to find them, but so that's all I got out of it today. Turn this back around. Right, no gold, but had a good day, had a fun day, and I love that machine. Very basic, yeah. I think idiot proof, and I'm an idiot. So I don't think it'll take anybody very long to get used to your settings. And I mucked around with it a bit at home, with a little, like I said, a little fragment of gold, about the size of a grain of sand, and it picks it up. And also, I had some very fine stuff. I mean, 400, 600 mesh, and I had a bunch of it, but it wouldn't have been any bigger than probably that thing there, and it was all fine gold, and I put it in a vial, and it even picked that up. That's why I was very optimistic. I thought it's going to find very small gold. But anyway, not disappointed, didn't get any gold, but I'll be certainly bringing it out a few more times with me. I need to go to another place. I know there's gold here, but as I said, and I have picked up pickers here, but they've been deep, very deep, and I don't think any machine would pick up the pickers I've found at this sort of depth. But anyway, it was good, and anyway, thanks for coming along for the ride, and if you think of it, maybe click the like, and if you don't like, well, click the don't like. I don't give a crap either way. Okay, catch you later. Bye.